Hi, my name is Francois. I'm the president of my company. I used to work with Excel, but now I'm using numbers. If you want more reviews, click on the link below. I used to work with Excel. Now I work with numbers. In both cases, I'm a simple user. I use the spreadsheet to list numbers, items, do sums, do some basic math, and most of the time they do the right thing. I use them also to do great graphics, and I do prefer numbers for the great graphics. I used to fight with Excel all the time. I took a 2-day course to learn how to use it. I'm not using it frequently. I'm using it enough frequently so that I want to be able to do things that I need to do in a very easy fashion. And with Excel, I think everything is complicated. Numbers, on the other hand, is simple. Everything is simple. Everything is simple. So that's why I prefer to use numbers. And every time I need these functions, even the advanced functions and numbers, I find them easier to use in Excel. Excel, I always have to go back to the instructions manual, tutorials on YouTube, and most of the time I just give up and call somebody to help me out. Not with numbers. I do this all by myself. I know that Excel is an amazing tool. When it's time to program, to do heavy programming, heavy macros, I use Excel. I have to admit, I use numbers most of the time, but when it's hard, when it's complicated, when it's very advanced, I don't even do it myself, but I know who to call, and I use Excel all the time, not numbers. When I started using Excel, my first question was who can help me out? Because I just could not get it. For some reason, I thought it was difficult. I took a 2-day course to make sure I understood the basic functions. Now it's okay. But with numbers, for some reason, maybe because I had used Excel before, but with numbers, everything is easy. Everything is easy to use, easy to start. And when you want graphics, you basically click on graphics and it does it by itself. And the graphics are stunning in numbers with respect to Excel. I think it's easier to start with numbers in Excel. Whenever I use to manipulate numbers, uh, I usually need it yesterday. And that's the main reason why I use more numbers in Excel. But these softwares, spreadsheets I've been using, I used to use the Lotus 123 in the olden days, but they're amazingly useful when it's time to compile. I see people doing it in Words or Pages in basically word processors. Don't. This is a spreadsheet. This is a very, very, very powerful tool. And if you need to take a course to make sure that you understand all this, do it, or ask for somebody to do it for you, but make sure you do use them. They are mostly used for well, everything, in fact. These are really powerful tools. Don't go without them.